And so when you mentioned Gita, I really love that you brought it up. I actually tried to do an entire Neuroscience of GITA series.
Wow.
So just read through the whole thing and try to understand, is there a scientific basis for this at my level, whatever I could understand. And there is. So there are verses in the Gita that talk about how we are slave to our senses. That basically means slave to our initial pleasure systems.
Which are?
How do we train someone to do something? We give them something that makes them feel good. So if you have a dog, you give it a treat. Every time it poops where you tell it, it sits where you tell it, you give it a treat. The dopamine network in the brain is the treat that the brain gives itself.
Dopamine is your feel-good hormone.
Dopamine is the hormone that makes you feel good. So every time you do something that is good for survival, your brain rewards itself with a dopamine treat.